Hey pals, John here with the LensPal, and today we're going to take a look at this little guy, the Tamron 35-100 f2.8 Di 3 VXD, possibly Di III VXD, but 3 seems more likely. This is a full frame standard zoom covering some pretty popular focal lengths, 35, 50, 85, all the way up to 100. All at f2.8 in a nice, small, even when fully extended, compact, lightweight package. This does not replace Tamron's 35-150 f2-2.8. When both of the lenses start at 35mm and both have a 2.8 aperture, even though one of them has an f2 aperture at the very wide end, then they're obviously going to draw a lot of comparisons, but this one has some key points in its favor. Firstly, as I've mentioned, it's a lot smaller, it's a lot lighter. If weight is a concern for you guys, if you don't want to be lugging around something that, you know, is a pound or two heavier, then this is a very good alternative to the 35-150. If you don't need that bright f2 aperture at 35mm, this is a very good alternative. And because this doesn't have that f2 aperture at 35mm, and because this doesn't go to 150mm, this is actually a more price conscious, more affordable option as well, which translates to being cheaper to rent. We have this lens for both Sony E-mount and Nikon Z-mount. So sorry Canon shooters, once Canon open up their full frame to third-party autofocus lenses, I'm sure we'll see this arrive for that as well. But for now, we've got it in Sony and Nikon, so if you're in either of those two systems, this is a great choice for you. So you have a very bright, very compact, lightweight, standard zoom lens in this cute little package that is available right now on our website, thelenspal.com, where we do rentals from 2 days all the way up to 90 days. If you found this video helpful or informative, if you'd just like to see me play with zoom rings, please consider giving us a like, subscribe, share, tell a friend, smash a bell, and whatever it is that Tamron's social media team is saying this week. And until next time, we'll see you soon.